Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook the Filipino pork soup or Nilagang Baboy. This dish is so easy to make, and I'll show you step by step on how to do it. It's also perfect for winter because it's so cold and it's nice to have a warm soup. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And don't forget to click on that notification so that you get notified when I upload new videos. If you already subscribed before, welcome back, and I thank you for all your support. And now, back to the video. If you like this video, smash that like button and leave some comments down below and share this video to your friends. Also, stick around to watch some of my other videos in this channel.